Hey, so today I'd like to talk to you about the opportunity that really kickstarted my affiliate marketing career. It was about in the summer of last year, 2018, when I was just stumbling about YouTube and Google, just reading blog posts and videos about how different people use ClickBank to make money online, and like a multitude of different products and a multitude of different niches for affiliate marketing. And I was just really confused and I was lacking direction entirely for this whole venture. So I didn't really know what to do with the information I was gaining, and it was about that time that I came across the Affiliate Bootcampe by Russell Brunson, which, if you don't know, is Clickfunnels CEO and founder. This challenge really intrigued me from the start because, unlike most affiliate programs, educational programs taught by an affiliate guru, they charge about $1,000 to get in, and you only get one person's advice and strategy and opinions out of that. But this challenge here, this affiliate bootcamp, was offering the story and the strategy and everything of 17 seven-figure affiliates, all of which are making hundreds of thousands of dollars per year promoting ClickFunnels, and their exact strategy, as well as Russell Brunson and his knowledge on ClickFunnels as the founder and his knowledge on marketing as he's been able to grow his company to $400 million per year. And this offer really intrigued me. For once, it wasn't some affiliate who's making $100,000 a year who decided he wanted to make a course and sell you it for $1,000. This was like 17 millionaires and Russell Brunson, one of the best marketers of the 21st century, sharing their secrets, all for about $100. So, I clicked through to this video, and this is what I heard from Russell.
Hey everyone, this is Russell Brunson. I want to welcome you to affiliatebootcamp.com, and during this free presentation, I'm going to show you guys how if you follow a very simple process for less than an hour a day for 100 days, by the end of that process, you will have enough residual income coming in that you can be completely retired, your car payments will be taken care of. I want you to understand that every single time you refer someone to ClickFunnels for free and they get a free trial, after the 14 days, then they upgrade, and the cool thing is that you get paid. All the people you sign up for a free trial, when after the trial's over, if they're at the $97 a month level, it means you're going to get about, it's a little bit less than this, but about $40 per month, as long as they remain a member. For everyone who signs up at the $297 level, it means you're gonna be getting like $120. It's a little less than that, but about $120 a month as an affiliate. Basically, all you do is you wake up every morning and say, okay, how can I give away just one trial per day? If I give away one trial per day, what am I doing? I'm literally giving myself a raise every day. This should be your mantra. You should hang it up on your wall. You should have it as big as you can see saying, I want to give myself a raise today. How do I give myself a raise today? Because all you gotta do is get one person and you give yourself a raise every single day. The other thing we're gonna do is as soon as you get 100 members, we are actually going to pay the lease on your dream car. So I'm curious, what is your dream car? Okay, everyone is different. It might be a Corvette, it might be a Ferrari, it might be a Lamborghini, it might be a station wagon, it might be a minivan, it might be a Yukon, it might be a Denali. Everyone's picture of a dream car is different. I'm guessing though for you, your dream car is definitely going to have a lightning stripe on the side, am I right? Okay, so you get your dream car. We will cover the lease payment on your dream car up to $500 a month as soon as you have 100 customers. And when you have 200 active customers, we cover up to $1,000 a month. Now, $1,000 a month will give you almost any car you want. Okay, that'll cover the lease payment on a Tesla, on a Ferrari, on a Corvette. It's pretty amazing. And so as soon as you do that, okay, as soon as you guys get one trial a day, every single day for just 100 days, at that point, it literally gives you the ability where you can retire. You guys getting this? Let's do the math. If I get 100 people to sign up and they have active accounts, my residual commission check each month is $4,000 a month. 2 a day, that gives you 200 accounts. That makes your residual income check, not even 4, we're at $8K per month. If you do the math on that, that's $96K per year. Okay, and that's assuming you work for 100 days, took the rest of the year off. Now, for those of you guys who are overachievers and you decide to work for 110 days or 120 days, that 96 quickly becomes 100K. The 100K quickly becomes 200K. The 200K quickly becomes 250K, and it keeps going up from there. Okay? Not to mention the fact that your car payment for your dream car, not some lame car, but your dream car is covered as well.
Now, having seen the video you just watched, I was pretty amazed, really. There was all these people selling courses for $1,000 each, and there was this one course for just $100 with 17 of the world's best affiliate marketers offering you their exact strategy on how they grew to 7 figures, along with ClickFunnels CEO Russell Brunson giving you his marketing material that he used to grow the company to 400 million. And I thought, this is too good to be true, but I clicked through and, it all seemed very legit, so I went ahead and purchased into the affiliate bootcamp course for $97. And there it was. It actually was exactly what they'd said it was. It was videos, like 3 hour long videos explaining how these people went from 0 to 7 figures. And all for the same program too, Clickfunnels. One of the problems I've had with affiliate marketing in the past is there's all these different people offering their strategy on how they advertise all these different products, and it's very hard to bring all this knowledge together and clarify it on how you can promote a product. But this was great because this was just a strategy of how to promote ClickFunnels along with all the content you needed to promote ClickFunnels. So it was really like a built-in, done-for-you system that you could just start now today. Also, what came with it, I was quite impressed by this. I've got it in my hand now. It's called a book called You Suddenly Lose Everything. What Would You Do from Day 1 to Day 30 to Save Yourself? And it's Russell Brunson and several of the super affiliates, their strategy that they would use to go from 0 to their current incomes now, should they lose everything, their email list and everything. And it's a great read, I must say. Like, I'm an avid reader, and when entertaining reading can combine with your business interest to really give you an educational, useful insight into the world of digital marketing, I just think it's great. So I really did enjoy the book too. I'd recommend getting that delivered if you do decide to join the affiliate bootcamp. Now, I'm not telling you you should, but if you do, I've got a link in the description. And if you're kind of struggling on what direction you should be going in affiliate marketing right now, I think it's really a great resource. As I said, it's what got me started about a year ago now, and now I've scaled to over 10,000 per month. And honestly, I think it was this that kickstarted that. Before that, I was just very lost and didn't really know what to do. But Russell Brunson and these 17 affiliate masterminds really gave me the knowledge I needed to start. Anyway, thank you. This has been Josh from Entrepreneur. Please like the video, comment and subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you're updated when I make a new video.
Everything changes.